Welcome to JD McService's Renewable Energy YouTube channel. We focus on helping you reduce your energy consumption. Are you tired of high monthly electricity bills? Consider switching to solar power for cost savings and environmental benefits. JD McServices can help. As a potential customer with over $300 monthly bills, you can greatly benefit from solar power. By using renewable energy sources, you can reduce your carbon footprint while also saving money on your monthly utility bills. At JD McServices, we are committed to helping you make an informed decision about your energy needs. Subscribe to our newsletter for personalized information and advice on solar power. Join the movement towards a cleaner, more sustainable future and start saving money today. By understanding the financial benefits of solar power, businesses and homeowners alike can see a significant reduction in their monthly utility bills. This is particularly true for those with higher than average electricity bills. In addition to reducing costs, solar power is also a more environmentally conscious choice. By using renewable energy sources, customers can reduce their carbon footprint and help protect the planet. Switching to solar power. When it comes to buying solar power, it's important to focus on the financial benefits while also understanding the environmental impact. By doing so, you should feel good about your investment while also reaping the financial rewards. At JD McServices, we are committed to helping businesses and homeowners make the switch to solar power. Our experts can provide personalized information and advice to help you make an informed decision about your energy needs. By subscribing to my channel and visiting GoToSolarNow blog, you can stay up to date on the latest trends and innovations in solar energy. This is especially important as the industry. If you like the content, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe so I can continue to create informational content.